In your bottle.
What's in there? She's still trying to get in your bottle?
Oh yeah. And you were trying to take my pants apart.
Well, hello.
Hey, Abby. Hey, girl. Abby.
So they have no front top teeth.
This one, they,
Which one?
Some people take the horns off.
Yeah. How come?
And just some
Oh, hi.
horns I like.
Hello.
Yeah. I was kind of curious. Hey, Buster. Come here, big boy. Yeah, big boy.
For one thing, it's their defense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got her from neighbors, you said?
North of town.
Okay.
She's my buddy.
She's nibbling on your feet now? Is she still trying to pick the buttons off of your jeans?
Oh, she's finding anything possible.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Aren't you?
Hi.
See, this one here is
Yeah.
Billy's mother.
Mother, okay. And this is Billy?
Yep.
Okay.
And
He's big. He's a big boy.
Well, they were just 5 months, weren't they? They'll be 6 months this month.
March, April,
So which one's the oldest?
July, August. 5 months.
Who's the oldest?
This one, Bella.
Well,
They get you?
the big goats, Annabelle's the oldest one.
Oh, okay. The one with the long horns?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's the one that had the 4 blondes.
Are you chewing on my pants? How's that going for you?
She's the grandmother
How's that going for you?
to that one and Amy.
And Donna.
Hi.
She is the most gentle of all of them.
Which one?
Bella.
Oh, the brown little one?
She does not bite at all.
Seems like Abby's trying to put everybody in their place.
Yeah, she is. Well, until these little guys were born, everybody beat up on her. I mean,
Oh, really?
everybody. And so now she's got these little guys, she can beat up on, you see.
I get it. Yep.
She was a bottle baby. So
Goats are very dominant.
That's
Always
what it
got
seemed
the
like,
dominant goat is Alice over there. She's biggest. And she's the boss.
She's the boss goat.
Yep.
She runs stuff.
runs the herd.
Hello again.
Say hi, Abby.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby.
She's a good girl.
Oh, you want to chew on me too? You want to chew on stuff?
Billy thinks he's the lead kid.
And he's
Although
calm now, he
Buster
doesn't
is
jump.
bigger, but he's not as aggressive as Billy is.
He's
more
calmer
gentle.
because he's used to being handled. He and her pen was up front, so every time we milked, they got a lot of attention. I think he's trying to nurse, and I think she's not putting up with it. That's it.
Well, he probably doesn't
So
have
what's down there for you? Huh?
Probably got it sucked dry.
You trying to eat my pants?
Mm-hmm.
With you think everything's edible?
They're just like babies.
Oh yeah, I just want to
Taste everything.
taste everything.
Oh.
How are those pants going for you, huh?
She started coming.
How are those pants going for you?
Just did that, pinned her against my legs last time.
Now the other one. So the left one wasn't as interesting, so now wants to do the right pant leg.
You're my baby girl.
What are you doing? Hey you. Hey you. So, hello.
Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. Oh.
No.
What are you doing? Shedding here? Huh? Are you? You are.
Alice is bigger than you are.
Hey.
So which one's your favorite, Carly?
I
I like Abigail. Are you filming me?
Yes.
Hey, Abby.
And I like my little buddy, Betsy.
Oh, Betsy, the one that wants
over
to
there now.
chew off all the buttons on your jeans?
Yes.
The little grab.
Oh, Bill.
I like Bill. Bill's my favorite.
Bill.
He's sweet, but he can sure be mean.
So now what's he chewing on? Oh, he's not chewing on anything. Holy cow.
He's just enjoying being rubbed.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I know. I don't have any hair to chew anymore.
Trying to
His
chew
hair
on Grandpa
used to be
now.
This long, you know.
Oh,
I
yeah?
just cut it a few days ago.
Chew on my hair, my beard.
Now she's just looking for something else to chew on.
Yeah. Must be Blondie.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Yes, dear. Gotcha. I gotcha.
It's gonna take your hat, Grandpa.
Yeah, I gotcha. Oh.
Whoa, that was a shock, huh, Blondie?
Bill, leave Blondie alone.
They all need pedicures. I
Yeah.
have to trim their hoofs. Should be doing it about once a month.
Oh, yeah?
I'm behind. You need a pedicure, don't you?
I can notice they don't like having their horns touched.
Oh, yeah.
No, they really don't. We
Yeah,
don't.
that's kind of like their
You sure
That's
live
their,
up to the name, don't you? Huh?
defense mechanism. How are you eating that prickly plant? Well, that doesn't look like it tastes very good.
Oh, now Betsy.
Bratty girl.
Yes, yes,
It's breeding season pretty soon.
Oh, is it?
They'll
yes.
get a
Yes,
buck
yes,
over in.
yes. Ooh!
Uh-oh, watch
Ooh.
your lap.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So Matt, which one's your favorite?
I like Billy.
Yeah, me too.
I like him too.
He's
Hey,
cool.
Betsy. Hey, Betsy.
He doesn't jump.
Yeah, he doesn't jump on you.
No.
Betsy, Betsy.
Oh, he
You want
has.
to bet?
Oh, does he?
He will jump on you.
Oh,
Yes, he does. Bella likes to jump on people.
One time, they knocked me down.
Oh, yeah?
All of them did. They were all just jumping on me, and I
Yeah.
lost my balance.
Yeah.
And I thought for sure I was on the ground.
Yeah.
I thought for sure that they were going to come and just, jump. But they ran over to the spools, and they all just stood there.
Oh, they were probably like, uh-oh, what did we
Yeah,
do?
what did we do?
Yeah.
They're shedding. You shouldn't be shedding. You should be.
That's funny.
Ooh, toes. Did she get you?
Yeah, not bad. She just kind of landed on me.
Ouch.